So can you see here? Here the mode is dynamic desirable. Okay. Now let us go for switch 1 and let's check it. Show interface E1 by 1 switch port. What is this mode? Dynamic auto. Here red line. Dynamic auto. But here dynamic desirable. On the switch 1, can you see here? On the switch 1 it is switch 1. You are having dynamic desirable. But on switch 2, can you see here? This is switch 2. So if it is dynamic auto, there must be a dynamic desirable to make the trunk. If not, it will not form. Okay. Show interface trunk. You got it? Interface trunk. Right? So that is a thing for dynamic thing. Interface trunk. Show interface switch port. I already shown you. You've seen it, right?
Yeah.
So no negotiate is to stop DTP. Okay, I'll show you. Debug. See, now I enable DTP, so I am receiving these messages. These are all the DTP messages. Okay, but now what will I do is, okay, wait a minute. Now I am shedding all the devices, all the interfaces except one by one. Ethernet 0 by 0 to 3, Ethernet 1 by 0, Ethernet 1 by 2 to 3. Except Ethernet 1 by 1, I'm shutting down all the interfaces. Just shut. Okay. All the interfaces are shut down. Okay. Now no other interfaces will receive the DTP packets. Only Ethernet 1 by 1 will receive the Ethernet packets. Okay. The DTP packets. Okay. Debug DTP packets. All. Okay. Same here. E0 by 0 to 3, E1 by 0, E1 by 2 to 3. Yeah, I'm checking down everything. Debug DTP all. Can you see these messages? Yeah. These are received only for Ethernet 1 by 1. See this. Ethernet 1 by 1. Ethernet 1 by 1, Ethernet 1 by 1, Ethernet 1 by 1. Everything is from Ethernet 1 by 1. Okay. Now what will I do is, sir, Ethernet 1 by 1. So what will I do is, interface E1 by 1, switch port no negotiate. I am disabling the DTP. Okay. switch port mode. Oh, that. Oh. Lab is not responding. Okay, so usually if you give this command, when you made it trunk manually, if you give this command, DTP message will not be exchanged. DTP will